Hello, my dear viewers. Have a good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Mrs. V. Deepapriya. Today, we are going to say about the Greenfoot software. What is Greenfoot? The Greenfoot is used to create a two-dimensional gaming application, simulations, and animations. The Greenfoot teaches the object-oriented programming in Java. If you are the beginner for the object-oriented concept, Greenfoot is the best choice because diagrams and animation speaks a lot than the text messages. Now let us see how we can download the Greenfoot software. Actually, it is an open source software. It can be easily downloaded from the site. Now we will type Greenfoot in the Google. It shows the official site. Click the official site. In the official site, click the software. It shows that the Greenfoot will be downloaded to the various flavors of operating systems like Windows, Mac and Ubuntu. Now I will choose Windows. It is loaded in my machine. Please ensure that before you are going to download the Greenfoot software, you must have JDK 1.5 or later versions in your machine. The Greenfoot is operated only in the JDK 1.5 and later versions. Okay, let's see how the Greenfoot is working. This is the Greenfoot icon. I just double tapped the Greenfoot icon. The Greenfoot is loaded in my machine. I'm going to create a new scenario. I just click the scenario tab. Choose the new Java scenario. It asked about the file name. I just give sample animation. It's my file name. And the default storage location is C:users 91999. If you want to change the location, you can click the choose button. Otherwise, we can leave it as it is. Okay. Now the new scenario is created. So you must know about three things here. One is this rectangular area. This rectangular area is otherwise called as a world or a scenario. Whatever objects are available in the actor class will be loaded into that scenario. And the next thing is that this right side pan. In this right side pan, two classes are available. One is the world class and another one is an actor class. Actually, in object-oriented programming concept, what is called as class? Class is the blueprint. So, inside the class, you can create n number of objects. So, here, see here, actor is a class and world is the class. World is the superclass and my world is the subclass. The subclass inherit the properties of the superclass is called inheritance. Inheritance is nothing but it is like a parent-child relationship. Child acquires the properties of the parent. Parent doesn't acquire the properties of the child. That is the relationship here. The next thing is that control pan. In the control pan, there are three buttons are available. One is a run button and another one is an act button. The last one is the reset button. So what is run button? If you click the run button, the images, whatever loaded in the world class is repeatedly running without any disturbance. Suppose if you are going to do the task one by one, then you can press the act button. And reset button is used to move to the previous state. And next one control is available. This control is the speed control. Whenever you want to slow down the animation, you just drag here. If you are going to increase the speed, you just drag here. Now let us see how we have to do the programming in the Greenfoot. Actually, your world size is, this is the default size. You can enlarge the world size. Simply, you have to click the My World. Right click the My World and open the editor. Here open editor option is available. You just click the open editor. It shows the editor window. In the editor window, you have to know about everything. First step is that import greenfoot.star. So Greenfoot star in the sense that we can import all the packages, all the classes, whatever available in the Greenfoot package is loaded here. And next thing is that we are creating the my world class, which extends the class world class. So I already told you, so world is the super class, it is the parent. My world is the child. So the my world acquires the properties of the world class. Then it is said to be a inheritance. So if you are going to achieve the inheritance means we can use the extends class, extends keyword. And inside the class we have a constructor. Why it is said to be a constructor? The class name and the constructor name should be same. And there is no return type available here. Then only it is said to be a constructor. So we wrote one constructor here. In this constructor only, we set up that window. That is, the size of the window is width is 600, height is 400, and 1 represent it is the 1 cross 1 pixel for each cell. Okay, now we will change the size. We will see what will happen in the window. I have to change it to 1000 and my height is 600. The pixel size is 1. I just tap the compile button. Now what happens? See the scenario. Now it is enlarged, right? Okay, you can set up your own world here. The Greenfoot scenario is ready for animation. Now we can create one animation. In this animation, we can create baby class. The baby will move left, right, top and bottom. So the baby class is created under actor class. So we right click the actor class, click the new subclass and give the class name as baby. Select the baby category in people category. Baby object is available. I just click that baby and click OK. Now the baby class is created under the actor class. We can move the baby into this scenario by right clicking the baby class, select new baby off and we can fix the baby here. After that we can save the image by click the tool star and select the save the world option. What happens? It immediately add the baby object here. So we first it created the object for the baby class and add the object in the location 478, 302. Now the baby object is fixed in that particular location. Okay. Now let us move the baby to the right direction. How can we move the baby? Right click the baby object, open the editor. Here public void add class is available. The functionality of an add class is that it continuously executing the code. Okay, now we will write a code move of 5. What happens now? This move command is under the class baby. So move of 5 in the sense that the baby object is moving 5 steps whenever this code will be executed. Okay, now we can compile this code. We execute the code by click the run button. See here what happens? The baby is moving, right? If I am going to slow down the animation, after that I am going to run, reset, run. The baby is slowly moving, right? Yes. So each and every time 5 steps the baby is moving. Okay. Now if you want to move the baby from right to left, what we are going to do? So tap the baby class and give -5. See the effect? Now the baby is moving from right to left. Okay. Now I am going to set one constraint. If I am going to press left arrow key, then the baby will move to the left. If I am going to press the right arrow key, the baby will move to the right direction. Now let us see that code. So open the editor. If Greenfoot dot is key down of left, then move of -5. Else if Greenfoot dot is key down of right, then we can move the baby to the right direction. Okay, now we will execute this code. Now let us run the scenario. Click the run button. What will happen? We will see it now. Yes, if I am pressing the right arrow key, the baby is moving right side. If I am pressing the left arrow key, the baby is moving left side. Okay. Now we are going to do the same thing for the top and bottom. But in the top and bottom, move is not working. Set location command is available to move the baby from top to bottom. Okay. Now we will see the code. Else if Greenfoot dot is key down of up, set location of getX of. The getX of function is used to get the x-axis, current x-axis. The x-axis remains the same, but we can change the y-axis. Okay, get y of -5. So automatically the baby moves from bottom to top. And the next thing is that else if Greenfoot dot is key down of down, set location of x value, get location of y value +5. Now the baby moves from top to bottom. Now I compile the code, no syntax error. I execute the scenario by click the run button. See here, I am pressing the right button. Now I pressed the left button, top button, bottom button. We created one animations right now. In the next video, we will see how to create a gaming applications in Greenfoot. Dear viewers, thank you for your patience. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.